Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Compliment of the season to you and yours. So, my beautiful family, today I will want to share with you. But before then, I have something to say. The type of Biafra that people need is the Biafra whereby everybody will be entitled to his own opinion. Is a Biafra whereby people will have liberty, because you have been complaining that you don't want the type of treatment they give to you in Nigeria. Meanwhile, you are here. Anybody say anything, you will attack. Anybody say anything, you will attack. Now only unite with the Biafra. There are some people that don't want anybody to drop their own opinion at all. Once you talk back, they go attack you. They will come after you. See, let me tell you something. The type of Biafra, it's time you get it. Let it sink into your head that the type of Biafra that people really wanted, is the type of Biafra that everybody can air his or her mind. I don't really want to talk too much, because before you watch this video to the end, you will understand exactly what I am trying to say. So,
message, Biafran men and women hear that ugly message from those that
there is every reason why you need to watch the video to the end, so that you can drop your comment according to the video that you watch. How will you drop a comment when you do not watch video to the end? That is why me and you are having some kind of problem. So please make sure you watch the video to the end and drop your opinion. And I'll be right back.
For men and women exists. Respect, equity, justice, inequality exists. That is what the United States of Biafra is going to stand for. Anybody following individuals that believe that wine therefore cannot talk to them, those crop of individuals do not belong to the current Biafra we are building. Nobody will bring them near. Not why some of us are here. So I'm going to get back in touch with you, or give me a call in the next 24 to 48 hours. And we already have a plan in place. Our young men and women, nobody will demean you. Nobody will demean you. You all saw our attorney who confirmed our redeclaration. She's a young lady like some of you, and she knows what is playing out. She stood in Finland and declared that this generation, the next generation, can never, ever be undermined by any individual who believes because he is a man, he can undermine the woman in Biafra land. That will never happen. We will chase them so far from the leadership of this United States of Biafra. Thank you so much, and give me a call in the next person. Only one under his leadership, His Excellency Simon Ekpa. Anybody that is confusing anyone or telling you there is another, no, there is nothing. There's just one, recognized by His Excellency Simon Ekpa. And we can pray. Once he has that communication, Biafrans will understand that Obato Obie does not take no crap from nobody. No matter who you are, you must respect that authority. That authority is the only thing that can protect all of us. But we thank God, somebody said this is a transition period. If these things does not happen, Biafrans will not know who is following our prime minister, who wants him to fail, who wants him to be out. So this moment is ordained to happen, so that Biafrans will know who is who in this restoration process. So on that note, I welcome everyone to this fundraising. The finance department is going to figure out if our fundraising is going to be weekly fundraising, is going to be by monthly fundraising. That information is going to come to us as quickly as possible. We must maintain, we must continue to do whatever our Prime Minister wants us to do to raise the money we need to source to fund our struggle. And we will continue to do that without adding any extra stress on Biafrans in any form or shape. That is why the Finance and Budgeting Department will take it from there and inform us appropriately when our fundraising is going to be going on. So on that note, I welcome everyone. And we are going to declare this fundraising for the United States of Biafra open. Again, like I've said, there's only one instruction, one order. There's only one place the legitimate fundraising for the United States of Biafra, Briggy, under His Excellency Simon Eber, will go today. And that is the New Dimension mandate. That's the only approved account. And then the account that's been approved in Homeland. So when you click on the New Dimension mandate, you scroll down, you will see the Homeland donate account. And we're already getting a lot of reports that the Homeland people are donating to that account. Thank you so much, Homeland people, for following that instruction and making your donations as we are getting updates on the donations from the different 40 states in Homeland. Thank you so much. On that note, we are going to, I don't know if we need an opening prayer. The Secretary of Information.
We're good to go. We are good to go.
Okay.
So we're just going to say.
You remember some time ago I said on one of my upcore videos, I said, should anything happen to the finisher, you guys will never see me on air again. I said it, right? And now, it's a shame, Biafrans. It's just a big, fat shame. It's a shame. When Chistremazen Namodekano was always giving his words, his speech, okay, he always tell us that Biafra, when Biafra is declared, Biafra will be doing competition with Dubai, okay, Japan, all right, America will be learning from Biafrans, all right. The finisher also came with the same templates. Biafra will be a place, a nation where everybody will come and say his or her mind. Okay? Where nobody will be held for speaking. Freedom of speech will be the order of the day. Say whatever you want to say, and you will be given you will be given a listening ears. Biafra will not be like the zoo. Biafra will not be like Nigeria. The finisher was always saying that. Okay? That Biafra will be a place where you will come and air your view, and you'll be given ear. Do you understand me? Just going to 2 weeks that the finisher is being interrogated. You people there, you don't allow people to talk. When somebody wants to ask a question, you block. Fulani regime. When somebody writes anything that does not coherent with what you think, you block. The Agbo regime. When somebody says something that is not pleasant to you, you insult. Abacha regime. And all that the finisher put in place, you people want to jeopardize his efforts. Jeopardize all the efforts of Biafrans. Abi? Good so. Our lady, Bianca no Chayau, what you went to Finland to do? You know, Chai, Tinubu government, they gave you that post because they know when they pat you people's back, people will sell your nations. People will sell all your families. Bianca no, go and write it somewhere. That's your position. They will take it away from you because they have used you to achieve what they want to achieve. Your husband was the one that started this animosity, this hatred to the Igbos. And now only for you to go to Finland and do like a saint, you are from Anambra. It was your husband that started. They killed. Yeah? You now open your mouth to say it is the finisher, Mazi Samuel Ekpa. Since you people have taken Simon, Since the finisher is under interrogation, is your killing not still going on? Which one have you people posted to the Finnish embassy? Which one? Shame on you people. Muye chistre maza na Monicano. Ihere me wuchakono. Kono raunu sunobu ono bomu wai. Ne maybe another. Chineke ga what chose kono ni no ko. I'm just going out this morning. Because people are disgraced. Chineke bono no. People are disgraced.
Oh my goodness, this my sweet mommy. Now Baba God go bless you. In fact, she have said it all. What is really happening? Please, oh, hey, I'm just here to say it or to bring it to your notice that not be everybody they agree for everybody. So please, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Once again, compliment of the season to you and yours. Please do well to share our videos, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I always bring you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye-bye.